Every once in a while, I come across someone who feels that they've done enough research, watched enough HGTV episodes, and seen enough YouTube tutorials that they can now sell their own home. They want to save money, and I get it. But let me explain some very straightforward reasons why it's never a good idea. Number one, agents know how to market the home. Agents deal with buyers every day, so they also know what's trending and what buyers want. A good real estate agent can stage, photograph, market, and describe your property based on these trends. Their marketing can attract potential buyers and will get people in the door. Number two, agents can list the home on the MLS. Realtors also have access to the MLS, which means that the home will get even more exposure. First, other agents who have access to the MLS will see the home and inform their buyers. Second, popular sites like Zillow and Redfin, which get their data directly from the MLS, will expose the home to even more buyers. But none of that happens without being listed on the MLS first. Number three, most buyers will only buy using an agent. The real estate process now emphasizes a structured approach to how buyers approach and interact with their agents, and this underscores the importance of formal agreements. These agreements can provide clarity on what buyers can expect in terms of service and support, fostering a transparent and straightforward process. For sellers, this translates into engaging with buyers who are well-informed and prepared, setting the stage for smoother negotiations and more successful transactions. Number four, represented sellers make more money. It's a well-known fact that listed homes sell for more and in less time. If you sell the home by yourself, you may save a few bucks, but if you're using an agent, you'll probably make more money on the overall sale, even after paying the agent's commission. Number five, a lot of people won't bother looking. Nationwide, only 8% of people attempt to sell their own home. And since it's not common, most buyers are naturally intimidated by it. The buyer might perceive the sale as being a liquidation, a foreclosure, or other serious flaw associated with the home. Perception is reality. If you want your home to sell for more, you want to make sure it's shown in the best light possible. If you're hesitant about working with an agent, my advice is don't be. Just be honest. I always take the time to understand how my sellers are feeling, what they're afraid of, and their goals for getting the home sold. My name is Carolyn, and I'm a real estate agent serving the amazing people in and around Prince George's County, Maryland. Curious about your home's current market value? Just click the link below or comment value to unlock this information instantly. Discover the potential of your property right now.